Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discussing the data tab. So data tab containing many of the options which are going to be used to manage the database functional activities. Let us see each one by one. So it contains the many groups like get data, get external data, connection, sort and filter, data tools, outline. So it contains the many of the groups. So these groups are going to be used to maintain the data for the use in our Excel sheets. So let us start with the first, that is a get external data. This group contains many of the options like from the Access, from web, from text, from other sources and existing connections. These are the options available in a get external data group. So the from access is an option which is going to be used to access the data which is available in a access. So access is one of the database creation mode where when we are able to store a data in a table format. So those data are going to be able to add into our Excel sheet. Just select the cell where you want to add and click on the option called get access from access. Then it is going to display all the access files available in your system and click on the option open. So that file or that data is going to be added into your Excel sheet. Next one is from web. From web is an option which is going to be used to store or to display the data which is available in a web. So if you want to add any data which is available in a web or a server, that data is going to be added with the help of a from web option. So it is going to be used in an Excel sheet. So next one is from text. The from text is an option which is going to be used to add the text which is available in the form of a text that has to be added into the Excel sheet. Next one, from other sources. From other sources is an option which is going to be used to add the different sources into your Excel sheet, like from Excel server, from analysis services, from XML import, and some of the like ODBC servers. If the data will be available in these kind of servers or external sources, those are going to be added with the help of this option. So this is going to be used to add the data which is available in a external. So these are going to be used to store the data into your Excel sheets. Next one is existing connections. Existing connection is an option which is going to be display the connections which are going to be existed in your Excel sheets. So you can move from one connection to another connection with the help of this, or you can able to open the connection for making any editing in the connections. Just select and now the next group is a connection group. Connection group contains the options like a refresh all, connections, properties, edit links. These are the options which are going to be used to make a connection related operations in a Excel sheet. So these are going to be used to make a refreshment, making any editing in a your connections database. So those purpose these options are going to be used. The refresh all is an option which is going to be used to update all the information in the workbook that is coming from the data source. Whatever the information is coming from the database from the outside, those are going to be updated with the help of this option. Next one is connection. The connection is an option which is going to be display all the connections you have made in your worksheet. Those connections are going to be added, updated, removed, refresh. Those kind of operations are going to be done. The next one is a properties option which is going to be used to make the use of the connection properties dialog box to control various settings in your connection from the external data sources. The last one is an edit link. Edit link is going to be used to view all of other files this spreadsheet is linked to, so that the what you can update or remove the links to be made, updated or removed to your Excel sheets. So these are the options available in a connection group. So these are going to be used to make a connection controlling options in a Excel sheets.